Place is looking awesome. We're ahead of schedule.
Joe at the National Stadium on Boxing Day as preparations ramp up for Kartel's return gig. And the news just coming in, no Sting.
Boy Joe, Freedomstreet, look like you guys flop Sting.
We don't flop anybody. We just do the best we can, and the chips fall where they fall. But, you know, I wish he was in business on that day, because I want everyone to succeed, you know, because we're all in it together, you know. It's unity through music and good vibes, you know, good over evil. And we wish everybody the best, and we're working our butt off right now for Freedomstreet. This is mega. This is definitely mega. This is a part that moves from the bottom on up, goes up. And that's a small place where Kartel will be sometimes, and maybe some other solo work. Then these are areas that you can go down to and doing other kinds of things. And then all the way down here to the main lower level of the stage, which means you go all the way around like this, all the way around, so that you can entertain everybody. This is a show where you have to entertain everybody, and not just one set like 180 degrees. You know, this is an opportunity. What's great is stepping in a different direction from Sumfest. That's the sound of money. Money. Boom, boom. We're counting the money, see? Lots of money here, see? Lots of money. 31 years of Sumfest was one thing, and great, and getting better every year that we've been there. And now we're doing something in Kingston. It's a whole other world here in Kingston. And to be able to do something for dancehall, this is the dancehall show of the decade.
It's a case of it's going to be big, but just how big the question. Buju Banton staging his return show at the National Stadium in 2019, with Chris Brown, Burna Boy and Kirk Franklin also performing at the venue.
It's a monster. This one is not only for the record books, but I feel, you know, I talk a lot about the biggest festivals in the world, and Coachella is one of them, and there's others as well. And everyone thought that was kind of a joke, you know, but now that what's good about this production and how to do it right is that we have a lot of people working on it internationally, and they have a different attitude. You know, they want everybody to win. It's not about competition. It's really about doing the best you can and bringing unity to the music scene.
Masicka is on the bill right now. Did you guys bring him in to boost ticket sales?
No, we didn't bring him in. He came because of his friend, and that's Vybz Kartel and Respect. So he just wants to be given all his love to not only the show, but to the artist himself. When they're on point and feel the love for one another and not the competition with one another, they can move mountains, and we're going to be moving big mountains on this one. Billboard was here on this field with him a couple days ago. They're going to have a big, I think it's a cover story of him in Billboard. I mean, that's as top as you can get. It's the Portmore Empire revisited, along with Skilly Bang and Chronic Law. That person in Canada, can't mention his name, but he'll be here. Freedomstreet. The shackles are off. Boom, bang. He's a more mature person. He's still great lyrically. He's got a ton of new songs, and he's got a lot of love in his heart. He's got a fiance. His life has changed, and that's what you're going to see. And if he can change his life from the not so good to the excellent, it means that everybody can do it too. We just have to have more confidence in ourselves.
Is Vybz Kartel going to be able to fill up the National Stadium?
God, will he fill the stadium? Was that a yes? Was that a yes? Well, I can tell you we're in good hands. The tickets are selling well, people are coming, and the stadium is huge. You know, there's 30,000 here in the bleachers. The floor here on the grass is another 11, 12,000. The grandstand has around close to 6,000, 5,300. So it's a lot to fill. You can't miss.
Nation, the Freedomstreet concert, and now go be normal. Me see likes at Jaffras, I go be there. You see me like how Vybz Kartel bring Jaffras and Popcorn back together and them thing there, and the whole Gaza Empire. Me see the likes of Masicka was mentioned in this clip by Joe. You know what I mean? So Masicka will be a part of it. So all that speculation I say Vybz Kartel and Masicka no good, we can stop that now, cause me see him say them a give people things to talk, you see me? I build up a whole concert we're coming. Yeah, but Mr. Vegas have this to say about Sting, because a lot of people, you know, as you know, Sting has been cancelled, you know what I mean, because maybe they didn't get to sell as much ticket. I see at one point they were giving away some tickets in the streets. But Mr. Vegas have this to say. Let's take a listen.
Yeah, me not disappointed say it cancelled. Why? Because Sting, you know, is one of the staple in our entertainment industry. And I did not see the promotion. I did not, trust me, I don't even know one person with a past Sting. So sometimes we have to just know, say, yeah, what is meant to be bad turns out sometimes to be good. You see what I say? So here we go on now, like, if you really want to keep Sting and make Sting be one of them shows where people want to go, I believe that you need to start looking at retro Sting. You see the retro party them party the people enjoy themselves, brother. You need to get some selectors, like Renaissance selectors them, the Kurt Rileys them, yeah? Get the government behind it, and get some real 90s, 2000, early 2000 dancehall reggae performers. Yeah? May the people them go, me not talk no man we run up and I sing the whole of them hit songs them on one rhythm, because nothing I hate more than to hear my favorite artists them I sing the whole of the hit songs them where them do on one rhythm. It just not do nothing for me. Me want to hear when me hear Zim Zima, me want to hear that the bass I go so do 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 do. Me love hear that, brethren. You see me I say? So me love hear the intro where they on the songs them the pepper seed rhythm. When me hear pepper seed rhythm, me just feel a joy. So you see, Leng, next year start plan it from early and get the government to support it. Then link up Babzik range, get proper sponsors, and rebrand Sting. And going forward, just like how we did have Heineken Star Time and Stars R Us, you still that is what they did, you know, for the John Waltz and the Ken Booth and the Alton Ellis them and so forth. They created shows, yeah, where those artists, you know, went and performed, and their fans who grew up with them, you know, we're able to see them and we're able to go and have a good time. And that we need. We need a proper retro Sting where the artists them will still can perform properly.
Nation, me can't understand what Mr. Vegas I say, cause the last thing we keep with Amari and Queenie them war and them things they mash up the whole place. So Sting did kinda lose ratings in a way. And in order for them to bring back Sting in real way, as what Mr. Vegas I say, him have to come back with the 90s, 2000s type like Sting, you know what I mean? The real performer them, the real man them we know about the business, you know what I mean? If you just come back, highlight the show and make the show what it was.
Guide over roads, Emperor Selassie, I am your road. Words of divine. on the patchy, big like West Kennedy. This jungle is a gunshot, you see your remedy. That's every time without the market, and it's everything you know. Well, this is a running when about the blue man, the chronic, right, and that's the wisdom of the wisdom by a lick out. Singing a lot of oot. Show us the hand, show us the hand. Goodness, bring him on all him on good. What up?
To me Jamaica man, he do it time pass big like me right hand. Me a big guitar to me Jamaica. Who knows that?
That's on a real member.
Nation Vybz Kartel introduced Sidem sister to his
Fresh
fans.
from London. That's on a real member. Vybz Kartel. I'm there with my sister-in-law. Vybz there. Fresh from London. And she there with one Dan. She just flew in for Freedomstreet.
Yes, indeed.
All the men is so sweet. I see them do it. Fist bump. What is that of my nose?
Take time, and there.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys. We out.